never the fuck I want!
Hey, how you doing? Cool. What's up, man?
Don't bullshit me, Ashley.
Shockwave is just here to talk about tots. I swear to God.
What the fuck is tots?
Toddlers.
Well, shit, I fucking love kids.
Hold up.
Good, you're here. Tell him yet?
Tell me what?
I thought we were gonna have a meeting.
Hey, train, you're out.
Out of what?
Out of the direction, so
What the fuck? You just said tots.
You're gonna have a whole year of tots. The outpouring of love and tots is gonna be off the charts.
Oh, this is shit. You used to get my fucking tots. Oh, fuck tots. I'm not going.
Hey, train, you can't run. Our dick punished. As the leader of the seven, I give you my word. No words. There will be begot. Ever.
Gentlemen, thank you for coming.
Always happy to see you, sir.
I'm afraid we had an incident at the archives. Someone broke in and stole PDR.
Tots.
Sauce, come. Isn't that right? A-Train, you're back in. We'll get you into a few more courses, up to level 7.
No, I don't want to pay for any more fucking courses.
Deep, please calm down.
I signed over my bank account to you. I filled out all those fucking children's workbooks. I married some weirdo who gives terrible blowjobs.
I'm sorry, Deep, but you are acting like a toxic personality. I think you should leave.
Fuck Fresca. Homelander was right. You are a fucking rat. And you're the jailbreak? Are you fucking kidding me?
Huey!
You're the only person I've ever loved.
No, it isn't. At all.
Huey. Dad. He's acting strange. Real jumpy. Where is he? I don't know. Right here, sport. Look what I got.
Excuse me, sir. What is this about?
Shut the fuck up. It's gonna be okay. Hey. Jonesing for a little jet fuel?
What is that?
I don't know what that shit is. Oh, you don't? So, you don't mind if I do this? What? Fuck! This shit must be pretty good. If it's worth running through a human being for. Oh my God, man, that was an accident. Where the fuck is the V? That accident had a name. And what about Popclaw? She had a name too. Charlotte. The only good thing in my life is gone now. What is this, man? I kill your girlfriend and you kill mine?